Lens up to 100x, and what he sees next blows his mind. He sees multiple organisms moving around, some of them bigger than the others. He decides to zoom in even further, and what he sees next will blow your mind. He adjusts the lens to 400x, and he starts seeing giant organisms feeding on the smaller organisms. When you look closely, you notice this organism has something like a mouth. Rainwater is deadly. Let me explain. The scientist decided to collect some rainwater and perform a test on it. He brings the collected water to the lab and places some of it in the microscope. He then places a thin glass film on it and slides it in place. He adjusts the lens to the desired result and decided to look into the microscope. What he saw next is shocking. I'll show you the video, but before I show you, like and subscribe if you love scientists. If you don't like and subscribe, it's because you hate scientists. He places the lens at 40x, but you wouldn't really notice anything major here yet. Just some tiny particles and only restless organisms moving around. But here, it's where things really get interesting. He zooms the lens up to 100x, and what he sees next blows his mind. He sees multiple organisms moving around, some of them bigger than the others. He decides to zoom in even further, and what he sees next will blow your mind. He adjusts the lens to 400x, and he starts seeing giant organisms feeding on the smaller organisms. When you look closely, you notice this organism has something like a mouth. Rainwater is deadly. Let me explain. The scientist decided to collect some. Àwọn science wọ́n decide láti test omi òjò tó ń wá látòjú ọ̀run. Nígbà tán máa yẹ̀ wò, after the investigation, this is what they had and ó jẹ́ nǹkan tó yà wá lẹ́nu o. Gbàtà wà kékeré a máa mú omi òjò dáadáa o. A máa mú àìsí àfi sẹ́nu àfi sórí, a máa fò kiri nínú òjò. Rain come down, go away, coming down another day, coming back. Kó má coming back o. Tó bá ti coming back má fi sẹ́nu mọ́ o. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ máa ń gbọ́mọ sínú òjò pé kán wẹ̀, ẹ má jẹ́ kán fi omi yìí sẹ́nu ẹ wò. Who knows what kind of organism is this? It could be back and although tán bá test ẹ̀ wọ́n á no, this is terrible. It is terrible. Gbogbo àwọn tán ní typhoid gbogbo àmọ́ bí tó ti ń wá ẹlòmíì ò mọ omi odò rí, wọ́n ló ní typhoid. Bẹ́ẹ̀ everybody tí ò bá ti sómi, olówó pàápàá ń gbé kinní sí ìta nínú òjò. Àìmọ̀ gbogbo èèyàn tó ń ṣe tí ò bá ti ní kànga ńlé, àwọn á ní omi ti dé o, òjò ti dé o, everybody á máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní gbé kinní síta. Ó dangerous, ẹ má ṣe mọ́ ẹjọ́ o. Ẹ̀rín tó wà nínú ẹ̀ báyìí, ṣe nǹkan tó wà nínú ẹ̀, please don't do it again. Instead of that, omi kànga ó better ilé because ó sùn wá láti ilẹ̀ ni. Gbogbo ìdọ̀tí yìí ò lè bá wá. Sọ́ọ̀yìn á ti filter ẹ̀ kó tó di pó dókè. Ẹ̀yin náà dẹ̀ tún lè ṣe ó kẹsẹ̀ lórí iná kó tó di pé máa mú. Ṣé rí nǹkan? Ṣé bó ṣe máa rìn nínú ọmọ èèyàn rí? Ọlọ́run Olúwa gbà wá o. Àwọn tán ń ṣe sáyẹ́ǹsì wọ́n ń ṣe nǹkan o. Àwọn tán ń po kẹ́míkà pọ̀. Àwọn ọmọ tó ń po kẹ́míkà pọ̀ wọ́n ń tẹ́ráyé o. Ó lágbára o. Ọlọ́run á máa fi ṣọ́ ẹ̀ṣọ́ wa o. Lórúkọ Kristi àní sì jẹ́ àní sì mú o. Tó bá ti jẹ́ pé àti jẹ́ a máa yàgbẹ́ ìdànù ní lágbára Ọlọ́run, kò ní ṣe wá ní nǹkan kan. Torí mi náà ti mú rí kékeré. Mo ti mú rí o. Tójò bá ti dé báyìí kò sẹ́ni tó lọ sódò mọ́ o. Àìmọye tó kọ̀nẹ́ẹ̀tì agbèjò wọn pàánù ẹ̀. Pẹpẹ má lọ sódò, ẹ̀yin ọmọ mi ti dé o. Wọ́n á pọnpọnpọn, wọ́n á wẹ̀, wọ́n á fọṣọ nú ẹ̀. Kò ṣeé mu o. Lórúkọ Jésù, ààbò Olúwa dájú o lórí gbogbo wa àtàwọn ọmọ wa o. Ó dàbọ̀. Orúkọ tèmi ni ọmọ ọba obìnrin, gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ ṣe mọ̀ mí ní Princess Ekiti kete.